At NOAA. For more information on that, you can go to our website at WPRI.com. I'm TJ Del Santo, Eyewitness News.
I've known Noah's parents, Amy and David, for a long time. They're a great family. Look, he's going through a lot, testing and all the chemo, and look at the smile on his face. Incredible.
I mean, that escort, and then the Gronk shot. How cool is that?
By the way, Cher did a shout out to him, too, before one of her concerts. So, Noah, you are a superstar.
He's going
already.
Hollywood.
Yes, he has.
And he had a great day for that, sunny day. Yeah, we're looking good this evening. That dry weather continues. We've got a storm, though, by this time tomorrow, well, the rain really coming down and the wind picking up. So it's quiet right now, and I do anticipate this dry weather to extend right on through tomorrow morning and even through at least the early afternoon hours. It is chilly. It's already down to 40 in Taunton. Smithfield at 41. There's a frost advisory for Bristol County, Mass. It's in the upper 40s along the South Shore. There's the frost advisory right in there. So if you had a hard frost already, you don't get another frost advisory. It's only issued at one time. So that's why only a certain area is covered in blue. 48 in North Kingstown. Skies are clear. So a cold night tonight. That storm system for Wednesday night. The rainfall amounts we're thinking somewhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain over a short period of time. So while I think the rivers will be okay, there may be some localized street flooding at that time, and winds gusting as high as 40 to 55 miles per hour. Initially, those wind speeds will be realized along the coastline later tomorrow night, and then sort of statewide and region-wide on Thursday. Thursday's a drier day, but the wind will still be going. Good news, though, the weekend is looking pretty good. And again, this is not one of those 3-day storms. It's probably more of a 24-hour deal, but once the wind kicks up, the waves will start to increase. Heavy rain likely, strong wind gusts, power outages. I think it's possible considering the kind of wind speeds that we're forecasting. It would be more scattered, but something that we'll keep an eye on throughout tomorrow night and into Thursday. In the meantime, skies are clear all across New England, nice and quiet. So we'll keep rain and wind away for now, but we'll show you sort of the players that'll be coming together. So we have a storm system across the Great Lakes with a trailing cold front. This main storm center will actually move up into northern New England. Now, at the same time, a secondary storm right about here hasn't even formed yet. Will take shape tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. This will intensify rapidly, working up the coastline, bringing that shield of rain and wind in here for Wednesday night. So let's take a look at Wednesday morning. And here's the setup. Skies are actually clear, or at least partly sunny. It's a dry morning commute. That main storm center moves into northern New England, and there's the secondary one. And watch how the precipitation starts to blossom near it. So this is 6 o'clock in the evening. The rain shield is just starting to work in during the evening commute, but the rain and the wind really ramping up 10, 11 o'clock and midnight as the storm intensifies south of Long Island, New York. This is 11 o'clock Wednesday night. The rain blowing sideways and the wind really picking up. Take a closer look at how it plays out, a more hyper-local look here. Starting off this evening and overnight with clear skies. Some sunshine to start the day tomorrow morning. Chilly at 7 a.m. And then notice the clouds increasing but staying dry during the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock. And then towards late day in the evening commute, this is 6 o'clock. The rain is starting to work in. Now watch how your TV set kind of lights up in red, orange, and yellow. These are downpours, thunderstorms, very heavy rain. This is 11 o'clock at night, and this is when the wind is really starting to ramp up. Here's the wind speed gusts by 10 o'clock Wednesday evening. And then notice these numbers really going up. Gusts between 40 and 55 miles per hour. The wind will ease a little bit Thursday morning and then pick up again during the afternoon, though Thursday should be a mostly dry day, not as much rain. Sunshine, chilly tomorrow morning. Clouds increasing during the afternoon, but staying dry during the daylight hours. Temperatures in the lower 60s. The rain and wind for later tomorrow night. Not much in the way of rain for Thursday other than a few showers, but the wind still howling on Thursday. A cool day, high temperature only 52, looking better for Friday, and good news for the weekend. Sunshine, milder temperatures both Saturday and Sunday with readings in the 60s. So the daytime is fine. The nighttime tomorrow night really ramping up with heavy rain and some strong wind.
Too bad we can't get that rain, that steady rain, like the rain we got last week when it just dumps 1 to 3 inches on you. There's not a lot of benefit to that.
And unfortunately, with the leaves so vibrant and colorful, the rain and the wind will take some down.
So, all right. Thank you, Tony.